just...
We did a promotion with Agave Underground last Friday night at Shotgun Betty's in the Entertainment District in Old Town Scottsdale. That place goes off.
Shooting the promotion videos for Agave Underground at the different establishments is always fun, but you never know, what to expect. Is it going to be a really busy night? What's the crowd going to be like?
Here's the deal. You came this way because you want results, right?
Yes.
Well, we're results getters. Let's serve it up. Let's show you how it's done Phoenix style. Let's go with it.
All right!
Now we also have some friends that want results right here.
Alright, so, oh! He didn't even wait for me!
Shotgun Betty's is the rock and roll bar in Scottsdale.
The place was packed shoulder to shoulder. We could barely get through the crowd, not only with the samples of the tequila, but with the cameras.
I just got pelvis thrusted.
Is there any way possible that we could tickle our taste buds, have another shot?
Are you gonna be my buddy all night? Yeah?
Awesome. Shotgun Betty's is like walking into a cross between a Guns N' Roses video, the MTV Music Awards, and Las Vegas, all rolled up into one right here in Scottsdale.
Let's say you want to order a shot at the bar at Shotgun Betty's. The bartenders really make it worth your while. It was like Argentina 1987. It was all the best parts of Berlin 1994, a 1978 bowling alley rave. You feel like Tawny Katane is going to be sitting next to you at any moment. You have to constantly be on the lookout and hope that you don't get beat up by David Coverdale.